Hi guys, welcome back to the how to real world. So a couple months ago we got the solar panel. It's a 100-watt solar panel. We got it from Take-A-Lot. We got it with some FMV points. So after a couple of months I was able to actually get this up on the roof. So as you can see here, I've got this set up on our roof at the moment, this 100-watt panel. It's actually just placed here at the moment. So I just want to show you quickly. I'm not using the best of cables right now. I'm just using two very thin cables, and that's only because it's going to be charging my 7 amp 12 volt batteries as well as my 12 volt 17 amp batteries. So again, you can see on these panels they have the MC connectors, and it's got a waterproof box there, so there's no issues. What I've done is I've just jippoed the MC connectors and I've just pushed my cabling directly in there, just so that I can get it working for now. And when I get the thicker cables, then I'm planning to put them back into the MC connectors properly, connect them up, and then mount them on top of the roof. So that's the panel again. It's getting full solar sunlight without any issues, and you can see that it's at a good angle and it's getting sunlight throughout the day. It gets sunlight from around about 6:30 in the morning all the way up till about 4:30. At the morning I only get about 10 volts. As it gets through the day we get 12 volts, and then I get my full 21 volts at about 8 o'clock. Thanks.